Hello everyone, and welcome back to my 30-day challenge of uploading a daily video with a hairstyle or a tutorial for 30 days. We are on day 17 and I am going to do a modification or a variation to the style I did yesterday. I'm just going to slightly change it because I was thinking about the way it looked and I think I would like it better if I do it this way, and that is what I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to jump right in and get started. One thing I did want to change was my part. I just want it to be just like a little bit farther over than it is. Just like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I just wanted it a little bit of a deeper part on both sides. So, well, actually I have to wait to do that side because this side is still braided from yesterday. So I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil. I would put some Shea Moisture on it. After my hair is stretched, I really try not to put products that have water base in them. A long time ago, I used to always use shea butter. I used to make it, melt it down, add some lemon oil to make it smell good, add coconut oil and all of these things. And now it does really, I don't really like the way it smells. And I just kind of got away from doing all of those types of things, you know. And I love shea butter though. It even helps with the stretching process of your hair. So that 100% pure yellow African shea butter. I know some people use the white kind, of refined kind, or different kinds. But I used to always get the yellow one. And it really did. It helped, even with definition. Like it just helped my hair when I did twist outs and stuff and curls. It just seemed like it helped my curl stay better. So today I'm going to start this braid in the front and kind of go down instead of the way I did it yesterday. I think this is more my style. So that's what I'm going to do. If you all have if you have seen any cute, quick hairstyles, please send them to me. I'm counting on you all to send me some ideas of what you want to see. I'm going to try to do my braid a little bit tighter so that it won't stick out. All right. If you want to see yesterday's video or videos 1 through 17, I will link the playlist in the description box so that you can get caught up on all my hairstyles that I've done up to this point. I'm going to put a little oil on this side for a little added shine. I was thinking about doing a live video. What do y'all think? Would y'all tune in for a live video? Let me know. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the front for some added shine again. And I'm just using olive oil. I use jojoba oil also. I actually just bought this recently. But for the most part, I use jojoba oil. So for this pompadour, I have less than a minute. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do my puff. My pompadour. Let's see. I'm going to braid it from way down here. Hold on, see that. No, that's the, wait. No, you got to go this way. All right. All right, so let's see. Hold on. Let me do the back real quick. This front piece, what we gonna do here? All right, it's a little bit too big, so I'm gonna start to braid a little bit closer to my head. I kind of started down here before. I'm gonna start up a little bit closer. All right, y'all. I got too much hair up here. I think I should have parted it smaller. But I'm going to try one more thing. And if this don't work, then this video is not getting posted. All right. I'm just going to braid it from up here. I'm just going to, I'm going to do a little loop. Sometimes you have an idea in your head, and then when you do it for real, it look like what I just did. You gotta have a plan B, plan C. All right, so I'm done. Let me spin. All right, that was some hard work. So now tomorrow I have to do just like going straight back. It's only right. We'll see. I hope everybody has a great evening. I hope everyone enjoyed the videos. Please remember to like the video if it helped you. Subscribe, share it, and leave a comment. Say hey. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.